How to change your default email address on Google Chrome in 2022. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your default email address on Google Chrome. So all what you have to do is so simple, so don't worry. First thing, you have to sign in with your email, and the first email that you sign in with is gonna be the default email. So if you have others emails and you don't want them to become the default ones, all what you have to do is delete them from here, and then all what you have to do is add your email that you want it to become the default one, the first one right here. So yeah, that's it. This is very easy. So on this video I just want to tell you that, and please try it and leave a comment below if it works, and I'm sure 100% it's gonna work for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later.